slime business. I'm not selling slime, and I will never be selling slime, and I'll be never making slime. But I made slime.
Put in there.
We used other types of slime that were already made.
This is the
It's the deluxe rainbow colorful thingy slime.
from Five Below.
Oh yeah, they're all from Five Below.
Did you really like it?
Yes.
What'd you like about it?
I wish it was less sticky.
And did you add your magic sand to it?
Yes.
How's that working for you?
Slimy.
And did the Five Below slime come with
All of these
like toys you put in there, like
little line stuff.
peanuts and stuff? Popcorn.
Orbeez.
Can you move your foot for a second?
No! Oh, it's sticking to my hand. I don't know if that was a good idea. I think it's now just a fail. I like the slime color though, but I don't like the stickiness.